Adds and restores water repellency to new, delicate, aged, worn, or sun-damaged fabrics. The water-based, low-odor solution to protect fabrics incompatible with solvents. Ideal for outdoor fabric, backpacks, boots, shoes, boat tops, covers, cushions, hunting and fishing gear. Made with pride in the USA. Sport type. Outdoor lifestyle. Top reviews from the United States. Worked awesome. I purchased this to try and stop constant water leaking from the seams of my boat's Bimini cover. I bought the large size thinking I would have to apply multiple coats. The first coat on the seams sealed out the water and stopped a disaster. Super happy with the results.